Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetable quesadilla. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want fresh, colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and corn, ensuring they are washed and ready. Grab some 8-inch flour tortillas, which are perfect for this size. Don't forget a good melting cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, and a tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil or butter for the skillet. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic meal. Now, let's prepare our flavorful filling. Begin by dicing your selected vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and fit nicely inside the tortilla. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil or butter in a skillet over medium heat. Add your diced vegetables and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they are tender crisp. Finish by seasoning them with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper to enhance their natural flavors. This step is crucial for a tasty quesadilla. It's time to assemble our delicious quesadilla. Place 1 8-inch flour tortilla in a clean, dry skillet over medium heat. Sprinkle approximately 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over just 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of your perfectly sautéed vegetable mixture onto the cheese. For an extra gooey result, add another light layer of cheese over the vegetables. This layering technique ensures every bite is packed with flavor and melty goodness. Let's finish cooking and get ready to enjoy. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a perfect half-moon shape. Cook the quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. You'll know it's ready when the cheese inside is fully melted and wonderfully gooey. Remove it from the skillet, slice it into 3 triangles, and serve immediately with your favorite toppings. Enjoy your warm, homemade vegetable quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.